Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Afifatul Alfia. I'm student of University Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. Now, I record this video for midterm test pragmatics. So, today I would like explain the material about the concept of Grecian maxim in humor or joke. Well, let's check it out. So, what is Grecian's maxim principle? The Grecian maxim principle, the first, the maxim of quality, where one tries to be truthful and doesn't give information that is false or that is not supported by evidence. The second, the maxim of quantity, where one tries to be as informative as one possibly can and gives as much information as is needed and no more. The third, the maxim of relation or relevance, where one tries to be relevant and says things that are pertinent to the discussion. And the last, the maxim of manner, when one tries to be as clear, as brief, and as orderly as one can in what one says, and where one avoids obscurity and ambiguity. So, well, we know the concept of humor or joke. Humor is the capacity to express or perceive what's funny. It's both a source of entertainment and a means of coping with difficult or awkward situations and stressful events. Although it provokes laughter, humor can be serious business, from its most light-hearted form to its more absurd ones. Humor can play an instrumental role in forming social bonds, releasing tension, or attracting a mate. So, humor have the various benefits. The first, humor can make stressful situations better. Second, humor can have a variety of social benefits, from diverting tense situations to strengthening social bonds between new or long-time friends. Third, humor can divide people rather than bring them closer together. Fourth, humor can make a relationship more satisfying, and the use of positive humor can help in resolving conflict. And the last, humor can help one's well-being. Many have claimed that it can improve health as well. Next, we can know the violation Grecian maxim in humor or joke. Well, as we know, the Grecian maxim can be related to comedy, where the cooperative principle can be used to create humorous situation. The most frequently violated guideline is relevance, followed by quality, quantity, and manner. Whether in comics, humor situation, audiovisual works, or literature, translating humor is crucial due to its complex nature and impact on the target audience response. And next, an example from Warkop DKI, the title Sabar Dulu Dong movie. There are some various floating maxims in that movie. For the first example of floating maxim quality, the underlined expression show that Indro flaunted maxim quality when Winnie found out that he was speaking the foreign guest upstairs and yelled at him. He directly told Winnie that he was fixing the roof, which he was laying, because in reality he was intentionally peeping the gas by climbing the ladder. This expression flaunted Maxim of quality because he didn't tell the truth about what he was doing when Winnie found out. The expression that contained flaunting maxim of quality above was translated using the delete method. The translator delete the translation of utterance apaan in the target language and transfer the informal Indonesian utterance structure into a better English structure that can help the audience to understand the message of this utterance in the target language. The second example, floating maxim quantity. This conversation between Dono and one of the guests, he asks for room service, ordering 2 orange juice. In this conversation, when Dono tried to confirm his order by saying, "Dua Pak," since this person is the only guest in the room, he replied by saying, "Ya 2, biasanya saya menghabiskan 5 gelas es jeruk sekaligus." That explain he usually order 5 orange juice at the same time. This utterance flaunted maxim of quantity because what he needs to answer just yes for answering Dono's question. In this utterance, he added the information that he usually finishes 5 glasses by himself. This additional information is unnecessary, so his utterance flaunted maxim of quantity because he told Dono more information than he needed. This utterance was translated into English by using the deletion strategy. It deletes the translation of part es jeruk sekaligus. The translator retells the information into a brief spoken English expression that helps the audience catch the information in the target language. However, the funny side of the utterance was lost if we see it alone from the utterance without seeing the body language of the speaker. Next, the third example of floating maxim relevance. The conversation occurred in the room when Casino complained to Dono because he left Casino and Indro when the ladder fell on them. When Casino said, "Tega-teganya lo ngerjain temen lo sendiri," Dono replied by saying, "Bukan begitu, saya kan belum pernah lihat orang kejatuhan tangga," which is irrelevant for this context. What he needs to do is apologize to his friend. Therefore, Dono flaunted maxim of relevance. The conversation was translated into English by using paraphrase strategy. The utterance transferred into English by paraphrasing the sentence to good English sentence form. The last example of floating maxim manner. This conversation is between the customer and Dono. Dono was crawling under the table looking for Omen, his pet. Suddenly, one of the restaurant's customers asked for a waiter. Dono, who heard that voice, got up and stand in front of the customer and said, "You asked for ice, sir?" Dono's utterance is floated maxim of manner because his response to the customer who asked for the waiter is confusing since the customer didn't order anything yet. This conversation also translated into English using the paraphrase strategy without losing the search language message when this utterance was translated into English. Alright everyone, next is dialogue session. I have the question about why people laugh at certain events or sessions of comedy movies or stand-up comedy. In my opinion, people laugh not only because it's funny, but because their brains respond to violation of normal communication patterns. The reason people laugh when watching stand-up comedy show or comedy movies include: first, the surprise effect of lying. This because violation of quality. The audience expect fake when a comedian lies blatantly or hyperbole incongruity occurs. Second, intentional confusion. This because violation of quantity. The audience needs context when information is cut or exaggerated. It creates a feeling of awkwardness or absurdity. Third, because absurd. This because violation of relevance. Because our brains seek logical thought patterns when a comedian connects to seemingly unrelated things, the brain is tickled. And the last, because wordplay or ambiguity. It's because violation of manner. Communication should be clear, especially when comedians use words with double meanings. Well guys, that's all the explanation from me about the concept of Grecian maxim in humor or joke. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video. Bye.